പോയിടാം നാം യേശുവിനായി സാക്ഷികളായിടാം പോയിടാം.
The reading from the book of Ezra, chapter 3, the rebuilding the altar and the temple. By the 7th month, the Israelites were already settled in their cities. Then all the people gathered in Jerusalem. Joshua son of Josadak with his fellow priests and Zerubbabel son of Shealtiel with his brothers began to rebuild the altar of God of Israel, to offer the sacrifices upon it, as it is written in the law of Moses, the man of God. They built the altar on its foundation in spite of the fear they had of the people of the land, and they offered burnt offerings upon it to the Lord, both the morning and evening offerings. They celebrated the feast of the tabernacles, as it is written, offered the prescribed burnt offerings daily according to the established custom. Then they continued offering the perpetual sacrifices ordained for the Sabbaths, for the new moon, and for all the solemnities of the Lord, besides what everyone would offer voluntarily to the Lord. They began offering burnt offerings on the first day of the 7th month, although the foundation of the house of the Lord had not yet been laid. They gave money to the masons and the carpenters. They also gave food, wine, and oil to the Sidonians and Tyrians to bring cedar trees from Lebanon to Joppa by sea, according to the authorization of Cyrus, king of Persia. In the second year after their arrival at the house of God in Jerusalem, in the second month, Zerubbabel the son of Shealtiel and Joshua the son of Josadak, with the rest of their brothers, the priests, the Levites, and all who had returned to Jerusalem from exile, began the work. The appointed Levites, who were 20 years old and upward, to supervise the work in the house. Joshua his son and his brothers, Kadmiel Binu and his sons, and the sons of Hodaviah, all together agreed to the supervise those who worked on the house of God. When the workers had laid the foundation for the sanctuary of the Lord, the priests, clothed in fine linen, came forward with trumpets, and Levites, sons of Asaph, with cymbals, to praise the Lord in the manner laid down by David, king of Israel. They gave thanks to the Lord, singing and praising, for he is good, for his love for Israel is eternal. All the people shouted aloud the praise of the Lord, for the foundation of the house of the Lord had now been laid. Many of the old priests, Levites, and heads of the families who had known the first house wept with great lamentation as the foundation was laid. But others raised their voices with shouts of joy, and the people could not distinguish the shouts of rejoicing from the cries of weeping, for the people shouted so loudly that noise was heard far away. This is the word of the Lord.
പോയിടാം നാം